Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today wait is over for this most exclusive and most awaited course on my YouTube channel, and this course is regarding for Docker with ASP.NET for applications, and we will see that how we install the Docker, what is Docker, and what's the difference between images and the containers. Like we know that images and containers are objects. Okay, so we will see the difference between it of them. After this I will tell you some basic commands of dockers. Okay, after that I will tell you that what's the uh, like how we can use the docker with command line as well with PowerShell, and we will download the GUI based docker as well, and we will download the docker desktop. Okay, and in the most of the scenario, when you become the senior .NET developer, then company usually ask you that do you know the docker. Okay, and if you don't know the docker, then definitely they will tell you that you should learn docker, and definitely you should uh, you should know this thing, this tool as well. Okay, and if you are beginner, so this is the right time to learn docker as well. And this video is not only for beginners and not only for experienced developer. This video is on for everyone, or every .NET developer or any other programming language based developer. Okay, and it will help you to understand the concept of containerization. If you learn the Docker, then you will use any containerization for any kind of applications. Okay, so let's discuss when we need the Docker, and like uh, like in which scenario we need the Docker, and where the Docker helps us. Okay, if we know the scenario and if we know the benefits of it, then we will use, and then we will learn the Docker, and then we will get to know the importance of Docker in the SDLC phase. Okay, so suppose I create an application in my local machine, and what I'm trying to do, I am trying to deploy the application on my server. Then with some reason it is like my application is not working there, and we will see it can be any issue like dependency based issue, package based issue, or other issues. Okay, and it becomes so hectic sometimes. Okay, so in this scenario we need Docker. Okay, so Docker makes the containerization. Okay, and it create the image of our application, and we put the image in the container, and after this we just use this container as a box, and we just put the box on the server, and this box will extract all those things on the server. Then after this it can it will manage entire dependency packages automatically, and you don't need to do anything, and things becomes easier, and definitely it saves our time as well. Okay, while we are deploying the application on the server. Okay, so in these scenarios we use a Docker, and other scenario is that suppose my application is working on my PC. Okay, and it is working fine, but suppose I give the application to the other like other colleague or other friend, then he will need to install some packages, some SDKs. Okay, other kind of things. So it becomes like time taking process as well, and sometimes they won't able to create the run the application. So in this scenario we need the Docker again. Okay, so in these scenarios Docker help us a lot, and and nowadays companies are asking for Docker containerization as a skill, as a required skill, if you are going to apply with in the mid level or senior developer. Okay, so definitely you should learn Docker, and if you are the beginner, then you should start the Docker from right here, right now. And if you are senior and you don't know the Docker containerization, and you always skip to learn this topic, then definitely you should start this topic as right here and right now, and I will explain each things one by one. Okay, and so that these things will become easier to learn for you as well. Okay. So now, without getting any delay, let's get started with the main content. Okay. Or guys, I just want to tell you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. And if you love this video, and if you love this, if you love watching this video, then I just want to tell you, spread this content to your in your network. It can be WhatsApp, it can be your college friends, it can be your office colleagues. Then definitely it helps me a lot. So now let's get started. And I just like this is the Docker official website. Okay, and if you scroll down, there is an image, and this image is for uh, based on like Docker desktop. And okay, and we will install and we will download the Docker desktop application. Okay, and what is Docker? And Docker officially says that it helps developers build, share, run, and verify applications anywhere without tedious environment configuration or management. As I already told you that you don't need to anything to download any specific packages, any SDK. It will manage automatically while you are working with the Docker. Okay, and this is the Docker official website. Okay, and we will download the Docker desktop. Okay, and right now I am using that. Okay, just go to the Docker desktop. Okay, just write this. Okay, and click on this link, and you will land on this page. And after this, while you're scrolling down, then you will see three options: Mac, Windows, and Linux, and it download the applications as per your operating system. Right now, my operating system is Windows 11. Then I will click over there. Okay, and after this, it is asking me to download three kinds of download. Okay, it is x 8664, 8664 on Microsoft Store, or ARM as well. Okay, so like if you are Windows user and if you don't know that you should download the ARM or x64 86 directly, then just go to the settings. Okay, and after this like when this page is like opening there, then go to the systems, scroll down to the wait a minute, let's scroll down to about section. Okay, and after this you will see the page that I am using, like my processor is based on x64 based processor. Okay, and suppose your processor ARM, then you will see the ARM but as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry this thing. Okay, just go to this page. Okay, just check out your page. Okay, then you can download the your application. Okay, accordingly. So right now I will download x6486. Okay, and after this downloading this thing, okay, and just click on this link. Okay, it will take some process, and right now I have already installed this application on my system. Okay, so that like our time won't get waste. Okay, so if your process is downloading starts, just pause the video here. Okay, and after the successfully download this application, okay, then just start the video from right here. Okay, and I just want to tell you that there are some basic system requirements. Okay, if you are Windows user, then you must have Windows 11. Okay, and minimum system requirement is that you should have 8 GBs of RAM and some GBs of space available. Okay, and so that it will like you won't face any issue while installing this application. Okay, so I will just go to the download section. Okay, as I already download this application. So, okay, so I'll just double click on this. Okay, and it will ask me to download that like you want to install this application. And then you will see the two options, yes or no. Then just click on the yes. Okay, and after this, just wait for some time. Okay, and if it is the very heavy application, okay, so it will takes time, okay, or definitely it will occupy some spaces as well. Okay, so it is asking me for clicking the yes. Okay, and right now you are seeing the blank windows. Okay, because the reason is that this is the user control based pop-up, so you like it won't record in this in your, so just click the yes. Okay, and after this you will see and pop-up box. Okay, then don't click anything wrong, otherwise your application won't get installed successfully. Okay, so it is showing like it is some verifying the some packages. Okay, after this it is telling me to like choose some configurations. Okay, so I will like just keep things as it is. Okay, and I will use WSL2 instead of hypervisor V. Okay, then after this just add the shortcut to the desktop. Don't click over there. Okay, just click OK, and it will install like it will unpackaging some files, some like some libraries. Okay, and it is the internal things. Okay, so we don't need to discuss this kind of things. Okay, and like while installing this application, let's discuss more about the Docker. Okay, and I want to tell you that, guys, that if you learn the Docker containerization, then you will be able to learn any type of containerization. Okay, and if you are DevOps engineer, okay, and then you should definitely know the things about the containerization. Okay, and where the Docker is the smallest part of the containerization. Okay, so before going to the Kubernetes, then definitely like you should start from the Docker as well. Okay, and containerization means I have already told you that it is the box which having some images of the R application. It will contain some information regarding your packages, your SDKs as well. Okay, so that it will makes things easy for you on the server while deploying the application. Okay, and after this it makes the things very easy for deploying the application. So, and there are so many ways to use Docker. Okay, so before let me see how much is like. Okay, it is still going on. So I will tell you that just go to the Docker Explorer. Okay, and just enter. Okay, and then you will see the link explore Docker containers images repository. Okay, so we will see some basic repositories, basic images of Docker. Okay, so you will see that there are so many kinds of Docker uh, images. Okay, so these are the Docker images. AI Llama 3.2, which is the model of Meta. Okay, Microsoft Where's the Playwright, Docker, MCP, AI, DeepSeek. So these kind of images you will see on the Docker. Okay, and while you're scrolling down, then and go to the next page, and you will see the like there are so many types of the images. Okay, you will see the Docker images for the Azure, AWS. Okay, and you will see the MongoDB as well, SQL Server as well. So okay, so there are so many kind of the images you will see. Okay, and we will discuss we don't need to discuss all of them. Okay, we will see the about the like .NET images as well. Okay, and it will be the part of the later videos. Okay, right now in this part I won't tell you regarding .NET images. Okay, in the further parts I will tell you each things about .NET images, and we will create the uh, like first we will use the its images. Okay, its Docker file, then we will create our own image manually as well. Okay, and we can create the custom images. We can create custom Docker file as well. Okay, so Docker plays the important role while you're working with the ASP.NET Core application for deploying purposes. Okay, and I told you that Docker, we use the Docker with the command line. Okay, so there are some basic commands of the Docker containerization. Okay, so there are around 10 to 15 command lines. Okay, and I will explain each command lines one by one, and each part of the videos. Okay, so we will and I already told you that we will learn Docker from the scratch. Okay, and this course will make you understand the Docker with ASP.NET Core applications deeply. Okay, so that we will get to know the importance of Docker. Okay, and I already told you that Docker is already in demand technology. Okay, while you are applying for the mid level or senior level position as a software developer. Okay, in the big tech companies or even the startup as well. Okay, so let me see where is the process is. Okay, it is store like it is still installing our application. Okay, don't, okay, no issues. Okay, so we will see a number of Docker images. Okay, so and if you want to go to this page directly, just go to the like hub.docker.com. Okay, then you will land this page automatically. Okay, and suppose you are the Python developer, then you will see the Docker image for the Python as well. Okay. Okay, and after this there, there is the image available for Python. Okay, there is image available for .NET. Okay, not like this. Just go to the Docker .NET. Just search on the Google. Okay, and after this, just click on this link. Okay, you will see .NET specific based the .NET. Just, just wait a minute. Docker and .NET images. Okay, just search this. Okay, then you will see Microsoft slash .NET. This is our Docker image name. Okay, and you will found this image name on the hub.docker.com. Okay, and we will use this image in the further videos. Okay, right now I am not discussing here. Okay, just to see this content, just to see this thing. Okay, and please don't use these things. Okay, until the until we reach those level. Okay, just close this thing. Okay, and hub.docker.com. Okay, after this you will land on that page, and I will search for the image that we will use today. Okay, and I will use the hello world based Docker image. Okay, so just to search the hello world. Okay, okay, so after then click not like this, just enter. Okay, or after this like this is the first image we will use in our in this today's lecture. Okay, and this is from Docker official images. Okay, and just click here. Okay, after the successful installation of this process, and it is taking like bit time. Okay, so this process can take much time on your PC as well, and totally depends on the PC specification as well. Okay, suppose your PC specification is so good. Okay, then it will install this application very quick. Okay, and if you are using the low end PC like me, then it is like it will take some time. Okay, so be have patience. Okay, and don't worry, everything will be work and everything will be fine. And if you are facing any issue while installing this application, just comment down in this video. Okay, and just put your error. I will understand, and then I will give you the solution. Okay, around 99% cases Docker installs successfully in any like with the minimum requirements, but sometimes like it might not installed properly. So I will tell you the solution. Okay, so that you will get like you will continue this series. Okay, I just want to tell you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. And if you are learning about the Docker, and if you get to know many things about Docker, if you are learning this video, and if you're loving this content, then please share this video to your friends and your network. Okay, and then your network can be your WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and your LinkedIn profile as well. Okay, and it will boost my channel as well, and it will boost my content as well. And I just want to spread this content as to the large level of audience who wants to learn Docker, and who are the Docker developer, and who are struggling to learn Docker. Okay, so I have searched so many contents on Docker while I was learning the Docker. Okay, so uh, many platforms are asking for paid courses. Okay, so uh, I I will teach you Docker with ASP.NET Core. Okay, better than the paid courses as well. Okay, so I will put my efforts and I will give my 200% in this content, in this playlist, in this course, so that you will love this content and you will get more knowledge regarding Docker. Okay, if you know the Docker and if you want to give me some suggestion um, while uh, while watching this video, then definitely your feedback are uh, welcome. Okay, and definitely I will improve this thing in the next video. Okay, and just I just want to tell you that the SQL playlist is already going on. Okay, and if you if you in the concepts of SQL, if you are appearing in the interviews of backend developer, the full stack development. Okay, so definitely SQL server is the SQL database is the most and core topic of the interview. Okay, and definitely you should know the basics of interview SQL, and this series is already running on my YouTube channel. Okay, and the part 16 is already live. Okay, so uh, if you if you think that you should learn the SQL with starting, then definitely you should watch this video. Okay, and so just watch this video. Okay, and you will definitely love that content. So guys, okay, so this Docker desktop is already installed in my PC. Just click the close. Okay. So after this, we will search the Docker. Okay, and pin to the taskbar. And click to the Docker. Okay, and we will see the first interface of this application. Okay, and we will use this hello world Docker image in our application. Okay, and I will tell you like we will use the command line. Okay, so we will understand the command line with the for the Docker purposes. Okay, and in the further parts we will use command line only. So please learn the command line. You will definitely like command line makes things easy. Okay, so just click the accept. Okay, you don't need to view the like full terms and conditions. Okay, if you are if you want to sit, then it's totally depends on you. Okay, in this page just click the skip. Okay, so my Docker engine is starting. Okay, and it will take a bit of time. Okay, so let's see how much time is it will take. Okay, so so you will see the status in the green text. Engine is starting. So okay, so it is taking some time. Okay, so so please have patience. My engine is started successfully. Okay, and you will see the UI on your desktop application, Docker desktop. Okay, and like right now we are seeing that there is no any containers. Okay, if I go to the image section, we will see that there are no any images I am using right now. Okay, first I will you like first I will sign in my account. Okay, just tell you, and we will see that how we will use the hello world image. Okay, in our application, in our Docker application. So I am using the Docker desktop application. Just click the three dots. Okay, just copy these lines. Docker full hello world. Okay, so this is the first image. So just paste this command docker pull hello world. Okay, and let me make zoom it for you. So docker pull hello world. Just press enter. It will download the latest image of that hello world. That's why we are seeing the latest tag here. Okay, so we have successfully installed our images. Okay, our hello world image. And if you want to see that our image, like how many images we are using in the docker, just click docker images. Okay, and you will see I am using only one image in my system, which is hello world with latest tag, and it is my image ID. And I want to tell you that every image has its own individual ID. Yeah, so you don't need to worry about that might be my image ID can be same. No, it's not possible. Okay, it this system will generate different image IDs. Okay, if you want to run this image, first of all, we will see how many containers we have created in my application, in my system. Okay, just click docker ps minus sorry hyphen, and this hyphen A will tell me that all containers available in the docker. So right now, no any containers available in my Docker application. So first I will, if I want to run this image, if I want to run this container, then how we can run this? Just click Docker run, and after this, what we will see, I have to tell this command line, hello world, this like this. It will yes, like this. For this command, uh, after this using this command, so it is clearly me showing this output hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. Output, then that means that your application is successfully installed and you are using the correct command. And if you are seeing any error, that means that you have skipped some uh, steps, or might be you have done any spelling mistakes. So okay, if I want to see uh, all images, then this is my the images I have installed in my system. Okay, and after this, if I want to see how many containers I am running. Okay, so we will see. Just click docker ps. Okay, so there is no any active container right now. If you just write docker ps also, it will tell you the active container like continuously running the docker image, docker container. Okay, like if you want to see uh, that all containers that I have created. So this container I have created, it is initialized 2 minutes ago. Okay, so exit and status exited. Okay, so and if I just do this thing, okay, we will see the name of my container is relaxed Archivist. Okay, just go to the your desktop. Okay, then image is already there. Okay, if I click on the container, then you will see the relaxed Mercury. So, Docker desktop creates the container name, gives the name of the container. Then we will see those things in the further parts of this lecture. Okay. So this is my container ID. This is my image that I am using. Okay. Yes, and right now my image is stopped, okay, is exited in the exited state. Okay, so today we have installed the Docker in our system. Okay, and we have used and we have run the basic our first image in our system. Okay, so I hope you have learned so many things here. Okay, and you have know regarding the Docker as well. Okay, or if you love this content, if you love this video, if you love today's lecture, so, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Hit the like button and and subscribe and subscribe this channel for this exclusive content. Okay, and I just want to tell you that you are watching this video on 29, so I will then you will see the next video on the 1st October. Okay, so in the gap of 1 day. Okay, so like it takes me time to edit the video or everything. Okay, so that's why you will find the video in the alternate days. Okay, and you will learn the Docker fully with the ASP.NET Core. Okay, and you will definitely deploy your first ASP.NET Core application with the Docker. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, and I will make you expert in the Docker. Okay, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye, and have a good day.